Alright, explorers, now we are going to look at finding the greatest common factor, or the GCF. Okay, so remember the greatest common factor is the greatest factor that two or more numbers have in common. So if I have the numbers 24 and 36, okay, I'm going to just start by listing the factors of 24. So I'm going to make my t-chart, so I know the 1 and 24. I know 2 works because 4 is even. So 2 times 12. I know 3 works because 2 plus 4 is 6, and I can divide 6 by 3. So 3 times 8. I know 4 works because when I divided 2, I can divide 12 again by 2, so I can cut that in half twice. 24, I can cut 24 in half twice to get to 6. 5 does not work because 24 does not end in a 0 or a 5, and then I'm at 6, so I've got all my factors there. And if I do the same thing for 36, I know 1 and 36. I know 2 works again because 36 is even. I know 3 works because 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 times 12. I know 4 works again because I look at my 2 and 18 is even, so now I can divide it again in half, so 9. I know 5 does not work because 36 is not in the 0 or 5. I know 6 works because 2 and 3 are both up here, and I know 6 times 6, so then I'm okay. So once I get them all, I'm gonna change colors here. I'm just gonna underline all of the numbers, all the factors that they have in common. They have 1, they have a 2, they have a 3, 3, 4, 4, 6. Now I can't forget this side. So they don't have an 8, no, 9, oh, but they do have a 12. Okay. So those are all of the ones that they have in common, and then the greatest common factor is the one that they both have. The biggest number, try that again. It's the biggest number that they have in common. So my GCF is 12. Okay? And you do the same thing if you have more than 2 numbers as well. So if you stuck with, okay, 24, 36, and let's go 30 as my third one. So I'm not going to do the t-charts again for 24 and 36 because I already have them. Let me change colors again. Okay, so 30 was 1 and 30. I know that 2 works because 30 is even. I know that 3 works. 3 times 10. 4 does not work because 15 is not even. 5 works. I know 5 times 6. So 6 is my next number, so I have them all. Okay, so again, I'll do it with green again to keep it similar. So they have 1, they have 2, they have 3, they have 6. So if I'm looking at 24, 36, and 30, okay, they have, looking at yellow here again, my yellow. Okay, so 6 is now my biggest number that they have in common. So my GCF of all 3 of these is 6. Right, and that's how you find the greatest common factor.